Hello everyone, my name is Professor Dunn. I'm from AP Brainrot Central. This is the extended lesson of AP Brainrot Chapter 1, Lesson 1.1. This will explain more in detail key points of AP Brainrot Chapter 1, Lesson 1.1. If you couldn't understand the previous video we have posted, we had some technical glitches and our intern failed to say any of we call it again, audio discrepancies. So please bear with us for the moment. So AP Brainrot Chapter 1, Lesson 1.1 is the keystone of knowing your AP Brainrot vocabulary. So let's continue on this lessons. All the things we'll be learning will be important. We will have some vocabulary words, historical photos, and also the significance between Baby Gronk and Livy Dunn, which is so far your introduction assignment on your knowledge of Brainrot. Please do the pretest online using Google Classroom, or you could use a Google Doc and you could open the PDFs. No cheating allowed, by the way. If I see you cheating, if I found out that you're using Quizlet and all of those other sites, you might get the merits. So the vocabulary we must know is Livy Dunn and Baby Gronk. These two people have coincidentally has the start and brand of Brainrot. You know, these two have been, how do you explain it? They are significant for AP Brainrot, but we must know how significant are they for the modern era of Brainrot, AD 2023 to AD 2024. So last year and this year, we must know what changed the world for this year. And as we were evolving, Brainrot is changing the way we speak right now. So skippity toilet is what most historians, professors, college professors have been saying is, okay, this is the modern era of Brainrot. This is the beginning of it. However, past times, Brainrot has been in our lives since, who knows, the beginning of internet. We say some weird things. Unironically, MLG, for example, has been the the fossil era, the fossil period of Brainrot. You know, some people like that. Some people say, I don't know, there's a lot of things that consider as Brainrot, but we're going to the modern era first, so let's not get ahead of ourselves. What the Sigma is a popular line said by Squidward while he was reacting to chocolate being dipped into, oil, a waffle cone being dipped into a chocolate liquid chocolate. And Squidward said, what the Sigma, so we must know the significance of that. Sigma is a term in the Greek alphabet, math, mostly to summarize things, numbers, morally so. However, Sigma has a new meaning. D cool has been its most of meaning here. However, what the Sigma is, oh wow, that's cool. That's kind of like its meaning. Squidward has a connection with Brainrot of the modern era of it, not the past, but the modern of it. We must know what Riz is. So Riz, coincidentally, is also a pretty new word for Brainrot in general. And we must know what is Riz. We need to know the definition of that. So here we go here, lesson 1.1. So here's some historical photos. So there's some other vocabulary words here. Drip King has been said by a professor. We'll be explaining the whole situation between Baby Gronk and Livy Dunn. We'll be explaining that later on. Also, we'll be adding our ideas and our knowledge into that video when we're gonna figure out stuff from there. So the first two images you see are Baby Gronk and Livy Dunn. And so the next picture in the red, you see Squidward about to say his famous line, what the Sigma on, and you can see the waffle cone being dipped into chocolate or about to. So let's look at the video as I explained earlier here.
Livy just convinced Baby Gronk to commit to LSU. Baby Gronk is the #1 college football prospect in the country. He averages 300 yards and 5 touchdowns a game. On his visit to LSU, Livy rizzed him up. Livy even hugged Baby Gronk. He might be the new Riz King. Do you think Baby Gronk will lead LSU to a national championship? Livy just...
The questions that we must answer is, why did Livy Dunn rizz up Baby Gronk? Is Baby Gronk a new Riz King? Well, I'll answer to question number 2 here. Yes, he is the new Riz King. Various reasons why here. Number one, Baby Gross's aura has been so incremental. If we go to the charts, his aura is at an all-time high during those times. His aura is currently in the mid-levels right now. However, Baby Gronk's aura has still risen up. Let's say, you can tell because he is unimpressed with all the ladies he's been attracting. So we must kind of get into that later on. To continue on here. So for your assignment, let's answer the following questions. Why is what the Sigma a popular phrase now? I'll answer that question. It's a Squidward. Everybody loves Squidward. And if we go to the dictionaries and all of the Wikipedia about brainrotology, Squidward's aura has been at a maxed out level. There's no remaining aura left besides Squidward saying that line here. So we must kind of say that Squidward could be the king of Brainrot. However, there are more kings of Brainrot. Most notably, Skibidi Toilet could be the next Brainrot king. Some historians, professors have argued that Skibidi Toilet is the Brainrot king, but not Squidward. So it kind of depends on your opinion here. So kind of make a guess from that. Let's look ahead of these two words that we must know. Edging and mewing. These two words are important for AP Brainrot. You know why? Because edging, mewing have been the key fundamentals, the key concrete of AP Brainrot. So edging is stopping before you do it, right? Mewing is kind of like you just don't talk. You put your tongue under your teeth, I think. I might be wrong with that, but mewing and edging have been the most key stepping points of AP Brainrot. So, research these two words for your assignment. You may use Google for this. I'm not gonna demerit you for that, because, we need to get the refresher here. However, know your assignments here, guys. Know everything here. 3 hours of TikTok a day, 3 hours of Reels if you want Reels, or 3 to 4 hours of YouTube Shorts. I'm adding 4 hours because of YouTube Shorts because its Brainrot has been kind of less. However, you might be lucky. So if you see something, Brainrotty, just watch it. Then yeah. Thank you guys for watching Chapter 1, Lesson 1.1 Extended Lesson on AP Brainrot. And we'll go on to the next lesson in a couple days. This is the extended version. Thank you. My name is Professor Dunn. And have a great day.